Hello guys, welcome to WP GeoBuddy. Today we are going to show how you can hide the specific custom field based on a category in add listing form. So let's get started. First, you need to understand which CPT means custom post type listing form you want to hide the field in. For example, we have come to the gym section. If a customer is adding their gym in the gym section via the add listing form so that their gym appears on the site, so they can turn off certain fields based on the category for that gym. So let's proceed. First, we click on categories and go into the settings for the gyms category. We want to decide which field to hide for a specific category within the gyms category. Let's say we want to hide the phone number field. What will we do to hide the phone number field? We will make a selection in the conditional fields. This is the purpose of these conditional fields, which is why they are provided by GeoDirectory. So we will click on that. Now, what will we do? We will go to categories, and for example, we will copy the ID of the gym and fitness category. The ID is 49. Right, the ID for the gym and fitness category is 49. We come back to the settings. We had already opened the selection for the phone number field. By clicking on action, we want to hide it. So we will select hide. Which field are we taking? Category. Since we are taking the category ID, we must select category. We have selected category. What will we put in the condition? Equals to. We will paste the ID we copied. If it matches category ID 49, then it should remain hidden. What should remain hidden? This phone number field, right? If it matches the category with ID 49, if it is equal, then the phone number field should be hidden. Then we will save it. It is saved. Now we will come back to phone number. Look, an icon is appearing to show that we have applied a condition to it. You can set many more conditions in this way. So, depending on which specific categories you want to hide the phone number in, you can select the category ID and apply the hide condition accordingly. Now, regarding the show option, if you want the phone number field to appear only in the 49 category gyms and fitness and be hidden in all other categories, then you would need to use the show option. We are currently hiding it, so we have applied the hide option. Now let's proceed. We have set it up. We go to the add listing form. Then we refresh it. Now look, guys, you're going to love this. We come to the category and first, let's check. Before selecting, let's see if the phone number field is visible. The phone number field is visible. Very good. Now, what do? We select the gym and fitness category, which we have assigned. Now look, the phone number field is not visible. I will even show you by searching for it. I searched. I typed phone. Phone is now only in the footer. It is only visible in the footer. Right. So it is not visible in this add listing form. You cannot see the phone number field in the add listing form. Right. In this way, you can hide or show any custom field category wise by following this process. You can do this CPT wise by using the GeoDirectory plugin and the conditional fields it provides. Right now, guys, look, if our add listing form is very long, if it looks too long, what do? You can make this form stepwise. There is a multi-step add-on. It comes from the main GeoBuddy plugins add-ons. If you want to get that add-on, right, we have already made a full video about that add-on. If you wish, you can go to our channel and watch the video on the GeoBuddy multi-step form add-on. I will also provide the link in the description. And if you want to get access to the full GeoBuddy plugin, you need to come to the WP GeoBuddy site. Then click on membership. You will be able to get a membership. You can choose different plans for a single site, 5 sites, or unlimited sites. And if you specifically need an add-on, you can go there and buy that specific add-on and make your directory site even more attractive. If you need any help regarding directory related website, you can book a free 30-minute consultation call with us, and the link is provided in the description. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.